Hey you guys, namaste. Welcome to CMD Alpha. In this video, I explained the application process. Already I explained the scholarship eligible details. Like it is a KVB scholarship program. That means Karur Vysya Bank offering scholarship for the students. So I already explained about eligible details, required document details, selection process details, and benefit details in previous video. That video links is available in the description. Please watch it. Okay. Now this video explained especially for application process, how to fill this application. So everyone are asking. So that's why I made this video. So before entering about this application form filling details, candidates who are watching first time for this channel, please subscribe this channel. If you satisfy this video information, please don't forget to click on the like button, because it's very encouragement to give that like your like, and also in our YouTube algorithm our video goes to top, because educational views are educational channel views and growth is very less. So many students are missing this information. Please give your support to our channel CMD Alpha. Okay, now comes to the, and also one more thing, one of our channel subscribers selected scholarship because of watching my videos and tested in comment section. I am very happy. In future, any subscriber or student selected scholarship for our internship or free courses because of watching my videos, please test in comment section. I will also upload in our YouTube community. Okay, now comes to the scholarship detail. This is the KVB scholarship program 2004-2025 academic year. Students who completed recently 12th class and that students are eligible, and that students enrolled in medical, engineering, agriculture, arts and science, banking related, financial courses and emerging disciplines such as AI and machine learning, that students are eligible. So if you want detailed information, please watch this related previous video. Okay, this is the deadline 28th November 2024. Now comes to the if you don't have laptop, so you can install this Buddy4study app in a mobile. So you can go and search in Play Store and install here and apply to the scholarship application. Okay, and here click on this apply now button. So please click on the apply now button. After click on the apply now button, and your name was came here, and also this is the start application button. Please click on the start application button. So before entering this application main details, here ask just check your eligibility. It is like a badminton trial, where while we are playing cricket at the time you ask badminton trial. So like this was asking, you are checking eligibility before application, just asking. Okay, are you first year student from medical, engineering, agriculture, arts and science, banking related financial courses and other discipline courses like AI and machine learning. In case you are related to that courses and first year students, you click on the yes. Okay, you don't have not related to that courses, please click on the no. In case you click on the no button, then you are not eligible for this scholarship. Okay, so students only these courses who are enrolling, that students only eligible. If you are enrolling, please click on yes. Okay, and next one, how you secured minimum 60% marks in your 12th class. So 12th class marks need to minimum 60% marks. Students who minimum 60% are equal to 60% or more than 60%, that students are eligible. Please click on yes. Are you a domicile student from Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, studying anywhere across India? Students who are residential of Tamil Nadu or domicile of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, that students are present studying in anywhere in India, Indian state, that students are eligible. So in case that students are there, please click on yes. And is your total family income less than 6 lakhs per annum from all sources? Please, in case your family is matching family income is matching this requirement, please click yes. Are you a student from government or government aided colleges? So please, if you are related to government or government aided, please click on yes button. Okay, after click on the yes button, please check your eligibility. After click on the check your eligibility, you get a like information displayed on your screen, like you are applying in mobile or laptop. You are eligibility for this scholarship like displayed in green signal. So now we can proceed to apply for this application form. Okay, this is the student personal details. So this application is section wise. One is you need a student to fill the student's personal details and graduate education details, family members details, bank account details, document details. Likewise, these sections are divided. So one by one I will explain in this video, so don't skip. In case you skip this video, definitely you will lose this information, and this information is very damaged to selection process. Okay, and first names, actually some details are came without entering because of your in registration time, some details already you are entered, so that's why the details are came here. And first name, like first name entered in case you didn't, so first name, last name also here came, and also mail ID, and check it once, check it in case any mistake, so please check it. And mobile mobile also, alternate mobile in case you don't given, or you can also give it. Okay, this is not necessary. So only here only asked mentioned only star marks are very important. Okay, star marks are very important, so don't skip without any information. Okay, that one. And Aadhaar card verified. So in registration time Aadhaar card is verified. In case your Aadhaar card is not verified, then application process is very danger, because further move it is not process. Okay, so please verify your Aadhaar card and Buddy4study in registration time. Okay, annual family income from all sources enter here, and also don't do any fake mistakes here, because of they are asking proof document. So as it is, what is the document details, annual family income details in income certificate, the details enter here. Okay, are you disability student? So please, in case you are disability, please click on yes. Okay, already if you don't have, please no. Okay, already these details filled in registration time. Okay, and parental status, like parental status means you student is orphan or single parent alive or both parents are alive, so please select that one. And number of siblings enter here, 1 or 2 or 2 or more than 2, so enter your siblings. And next asking permanent address, like you are give already, it's also came, because while registration time you are also verified your other details, at that time they taken our address line. So once again enter, in case do check mistakes, in case any mistakes is happen, address line and state, district and city or pin code. And in case same as permanent address, please click on yes. And is there difference to permanent address and present communication address, that means correspondent address, so please enter that address details also. Okay, after entering these all details, please click on the save and continue button. So after click on the save and continue button, you can get like tick mark in green color. So this is the green color, that means all details are filled. Okay, so in the every section there are almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 sections is there. So every section student need to green ticks. Okay, then only application process to submit. Okay, in case red tick is happen in any section, so that application will not move further submission. And this is the educational details. In this here need to upload educational details, and family members details you need to enter, and document details here, documents need to upload. Okay, and references details and bank details you need to enter here, and more about yourself, that means yourself they are asking like a little bit questions. Okay, it is very easy, I will explain it in the end of the video. So first of all, and second one is first one is completed, and second one education details. In education details, first of all they selected present class, so it is already registered, so it's why came graduation. And now comes to enter the next one, class 10th details. So class 10th details, like your academic details, class 10th, and board of examination, in which board you are completed, like enter your state, and also school type, so government or government aided or private school you are completed your 10th class, so please select that one. And while you applying this, filling this document application details, please keep documents behind you. Okay, beside you. Why? Because it's very easiest to, and rare mistakes would be happen, and not only rare mistakes never be happen. Okay, so please keep documents beside you. And state, so please select your state, 10th class completed state, and district, and school name, and also mode of course, that means full-time or part-time course select here, and mode of study, that is day scholar or hostler or distance learning. So which one is suitable to you, please select that one. And passing year, in which year student is passed, please select that one. If this passing year mentioned in the 10th class certificate, so please check it, don't mistake here, so many students are mistake, so don't do. And 10th board roll number also available in the 10th certification mark sheet, so please enter here as it is. And mark details, in case the results given in marks, please select marks and total marks and marks obtained, that means how many marks you got for that total marks. And in case students results given in grade or CGPA, so please select this one, and CGPA, total CGPA, and enter grade. So here is the like A1, A2, B1, C, B2 up to E. E is the final one, I think here showing E only. Yeah, E is the final, so please select that one. And next one, after entering this detail, please save this button. Okay, class 12th mark sheet, is also very important, so please, as it is class 12th mark sheet, board class 12th board examination completion and stream, so which stream you are completed. PCB means physics chemistry by PC, PCMB means I think physics chemistry, and M means I didn't know, but maths, I think maths, or B means by PC, and commerce, humanities or arts. PC means physics chemistry, mathematics and others. So select your stream, And school types, that means college type, government or government aided or private, so please select that one. And state, so select your college, that is 12th class college state. And district, so select that district, in which location and in which district you completed your 12th board examinations. And school name, so enter your school name, college name. And mode of course, full time or part time. And mode of study, day scholar, hostler or distance learning, please select that one. And passing year, in which year you have completed 12th class, please select that one. And 12th board roll number also you can enter. And here is the mark details, in case students result was displayed in the marks, so please select your total marks and enter your obtained marks. Okay, obtained marks means you get that marks, total marks. Okay, and grade, in case students results were distributed in grades, so please enter your CGPA. And grade also select like A1, A2, so up to E. Okay, after entering your details, please select save button. Okay, then next, graduation details, so student enter your graduation details. So these graduation details, students need to fill degree, that means MBBS. Here asked almost MBA, BDS, dental, BSc nursing, B Pharmacy, BR, so BTech, integrated courses. I also mentioned integrated courses means BTech plus 1 year MTech, that means integrated courses. So in case students are enrolled in MTech in integrated courses, so please select that one. And 4 years course students of BTech, like please click on this one. Okay, and agriculture, artificial intelligence, some other courses also here displayed, so please select your course. And current academic sem, so which sem you are present pursuing, so please select that one. And principal name, so your college principal name. And state, in which state your college is located. And district also select. And name of the institution, and institution email is very important, so name of the institution here came, so select your institution names. Okay, institution name and institution phone number, institution email. So miscellaneous fees and admission fees and hostel fees, tuition fees, mode of course. Okay, these details please while applying, please keep your decide. Okay, it's very help to in easy process. And mode of study, like day scholar, hostler or distance learning, please select that one. And degree specialization, like your computer engineering or electronics and communication, in case you are engineering, or please select that your engineering stream. In case you are MBBS, so please select that your specialization. Like in case you are agriculture, please select your BS agriculture in horticulture or some other courses is there agriculture related, so please select your courses. And please click on the save button. And after entering your details, so final one asks save and continue button. After entering save and continue button, you get a green tick in the top of the video, that is here you get a green tick. Okay, and the next one you can see family member details. So here family member details are asking, so already one family member details while applying in registration time they are filled this information, so that's why again here came. So in case you need to ask another family member, so here also mentioned family income also, total annual income also here mentioned. Okay, and in case we need to ask another family member, so please click on that. And that family member 2 name, enter your name and mobile number and annual income and relation to that student. Okay, this family member relation to that student. And qualification, select qualification, so student which last qualified, so that's one, select qualification. And occupation, parent occupation, parent what is doing, student parent present working like librarian, in case librarian, please select that one. Or hotel manager, mechanic, painter, peon, retired, so in case retired option also is there, so please select that your father occupation details. Okay, after entering these details, so please click on the save button. So after click on the save button, you get a save and continue button. So after save and continue button, then you can also get a green tick from here. Okay, after entering a family member details, so you need to fill these sections like documents, references, bank details, more about yourself. So these sections are need to fill these requirements. So first of all we see documentation. So already we entered some applications while registration time, so that applications are filled automatically. So remaining we need to upload it, that one I will explain all the documents. Like you need to upload here recent passport size photograph, already I upload, that's why green tick is showing. So you need to upload any document, so please click on the browse button. So I enter your documents. Okay, Aadhaar card both sides, here mentioned both sides Aadhaar card. Okay,
select browse and enter it. Okay, and 10th mark sheet and 12th mark sheet, current year admission proof purpose, student upload admission letter or student ID card or bona fide certificate, fees receipt or fee structure, any one of the document you need to upload. And latest school or college fees receipt you need to submit, upload on this section. Previous class mark sheet you need to upload on this section. Family income proof purpose, student upload this document in this section. And bank passbook document front page only upload. Okay, after entering all the details, please click on the save and continue. Okay, and here references like references from any your government officer or like non-government officer numbers, like I will show here. So like referencer name and referencer mobile number and relation to the student. So while inquiry time, that team call this to the referencer asking about student details. So that's why these requirements are important. Minimum 2 references you need to enter. Okay, and teacher, any government officer. NGO means non-government officer details. Okay, and next here add reference. Okay, and after save and continue click. After click on save and continue. Okay, and next bank account details. Student bank account details need to upload here. So please click on add bank detail. So account holder name, so account number, IFSC code, and bank name and branch name. Okay, enter here and please click on save button. And after entering, after save and continue button, and the next section is final section, that is more about yourself. So click here. Here asking some questions, little bit questions. I will explain you. Tell us about yourself and your family. Okay, tell us about yourself and your family details. Just enter 2 sentences. And what are your career aspirations, like your career goals and what your aspirations. So enter here. Are you a domicile of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana? So please enter here also. Like in case your location is domicile to that state, so please click yes. Are you studying from government or government aided college? So in case you are studying that universities or colleges, please click yes. Are you children of employees affiliated with Karur, Vysya Bank or Buddy4study? So in case students parents are working in this domain, so please click on yes button. Okay, and save and continue. Okay, save and continue. After entering all the digits, save and continue. After entering, so please click on these buttons and it turns to green tick button. Okay, and this is the final step, preview. Before submitting this application, please click on the preview, and after preview, once details check, in case any mistakes were done, so please recheck it. Okay, in case don't have any mistakes, please submit to final one. Okay, after entering all the details, you can get like this green button like completed for the all sections. Okay, so this completed, so then you proceeded to submit.